Naglalakad kami sa road malang tao ko paninida na. Nasibihan kami sa kami sa bus. Almost 12 noon. Aga pa tanda to pinano. Nonoy, ang kamay mo noy, pasok sa loob. Diyan ka lang. Hello. Ni Dana, ha, si ni Dana to, may, ay pakita kabot. Hintay ka lang dyan, Nini, ah. Noy, saan ka na ipupunta, Noy? Hello, Noah.
Si Tia, mama.
Noah.
Nag-chat na ako, mas tadi si Dana.
Yan po. Sano, Hanway, pwede may banda. Grabe ako ko. Whisper na ako. Rampada sa nainin dana guro, mudara rampada guro. Rampada sa nainin sa sudan ka robe. Ay mag-go down na ta, no ay nabugtaw. Ay mag-down na ta. Ay noy bugtaro noy. Gara ta. Tanaw kami isang rampada na ako. Hindi ada sa grocery na naog, groceries. Oh, puro sila mga black na. Mga black na, mga ladies in black. Black and gold. Ada nga mga motif. Awap na lagi. Beauties. Ay si ano? Hello. May kulot. Kulot. Nawa kala mo. Ay Nini Dana, beautiful. Nini Dana. Hello. Hindi nakaklala daw. Wait. Dana, kasalala.
Ama namin, pakinggan mo po ang pagtawag namin sa iyong banal na pangalan. Basbasan mo po ang aming pagtitipon at kami kaluguran mo sa araw na ito. Ang anumang panalangin namin ang lahat na ito. Amen.
Very much, and you may now take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, today is not just a celebration of fashion and modeling. It is a testament to passion, dedication, and the vision of a leader who has shaped and nurtured inspiring talents for 6 incredible years. Here for his words of welcome. Good afternoon, Robinsons Mobile. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you so much, our powerful host.
But now, we're very happy that every year we can able to change not only 5, but more than 500 students in a row in just a year. An effort just to give more importance sa ating mga kabataan. Dahan Meron Production and their Grand Production number! Our recitative for A&R Production Music.
My name is Skylar Rumba, 6 years old, from Habiwa, Iloilo.
She's my apo. Princess Dana introduces herself. Malayo ang ako na video do pa hindi masyado makita. Ramp model si apo. First outfit, black tights and crop top with printed A&R production. Go go nini, go go nini, puro lang ang pan mo. Ito ang boy nga nakawig, parang babae, parang kamukha ni Kimay. Isa lang kami ka Banwa. Kamuted ang aking video kasi puro labi music, no? Sayang. Music na lang na music. Rampa pa more. Muted pa more. Kimay ano? Tapos Kimay. Dana go go ramp model na si Apo.
nambal.
Anyway, dyan.
Ganda Nagarado, 12 years old, from Municipality of Aniwa, Iloilo.
Shane Rentahe Amador, 17, all the way from Municipality of Haniwa.
Unit number 66. Lawrence Lemon, 16, Brenda Olsen. On the artistry of runway modeling. And today, we are gathered here to witness as they take the center stage. True runway talent. Our panel of judges today are industry leaders, style visionaries, and professionals who will help us determine the standout model for this brand recital. We find out good judges who is after designer, princess, designer, Jonah, Alejandro, designer, Audrey, Alexis, and designer, Jaja, all people. And I can't wait to show that we will be seeing their amazing creations here on stage. Designer judges, thank you very much.
Hari na akin ako. Dyan na. Rampara mas sa second na nga tire. Green, silver, green, silver, green. She's my apo, Nini Dana, ramp model. Thank you for watching. Please follow and subscribe. Till my next vlog. This is only part 1. Bye you. God bless.